conditioning in all the schools.
So
I'm sorry.
Funny you should mention that.
Hold on to
I'm
it.
sorry.
Hold on to it.
I want it
still
air.
going because I'm with her because as a safety issue.
Exactly,
You
it's
know, telling everybody
hot.
they can't prop open doors when it's 85 degrees in your
We
classroom.
can keep, we're gonna have
Several times a year.
good windows now, correct?
Correct.
In
The
all
windows will
buildings.
open.
You're gonna have new HVAC, you're gonna have a good roof. Yes, the initial cost of air conditioning our buildings, we don't live in the I'm the oldest, and, you know, I'm used to my mom saying, well, you know, I walk to school 80 miles, well, you know.
Uphill both ways?
Yeah.
You're fine.
In a snowstorm.
These kids, this climate has changed, it's hot. And how can you learn when it's steaming hot? And that was one of my first requests. Is air. That and restroom.
These tables are set up so that
Okay,
the square footage are calculated in the formula.
okay. Well,
With the,
I
with the
sure
change
would like
of
to see
a,
that.
with the change of a number, the cost could be updated to show the difference in
I would love to
options.
see that.
Again,
Because I think,
our work, and you asked how we got down here, we got down here by looking at each other finally at the end of the day and saying, all right, what's needed? And that was kind of the that's where we needed.
if we can show them that we're going to be responsible and set money aside to maintain all these new ones, which we will have, because you're not constantly using money to fix it. But we have to specifically tell them we're gonna set, I don't think we're gonna have a problem with this at all. But you gotta look at the elderly people. And I know, Todd, you're looking at 15, but when you're serving over 2,000 Meals on Wheels, those people cannot afford it. And we need to get their votes.